Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the January to April 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe your favorite means of transport. You should say what it is, when and how often you use it, why you use it, and explain why it is your favorite transport. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. So means of transport, when you see this question, you should be thinking about all the different kinds of transport facilities or transport modes that are available, right? So there are various transportation means like buses, auto rickshaws, trains, you have flights like airplanes, right? You have ships, trucks. So there are so many, right? So you can talk about any of them, but then make sure that you are answering all the questions that are given in the cue card according to that. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. There are various modes of transport including buses, trains, ships, cars, airplanes, and so on, which are used to move people from one place to another. And today, I would like to talk about buses, which are my favorite means of commute. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction to the examiner and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I use this public mode of transportation daily, particularly during mornings and afternoons. So as you all can see, instead of repeating buses again and again, since buses are a public mode of transportation, we use like a synonym or a different kind of phrase to convey the same meaning. Besides that, I prefer to take buses for my to and fro commute from my tuition center and home as I live in a suburban area and other transport facilities are not available frequently. So as you all can see, we are using different type of synonyms instead of repeating the same word transport which was given in the question. We have used mode of transportation, we used commute. So you can add all of these words in your vocabulary list and next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation as well. It is also actually useful for some writing task 2 topic if you get on transport. Instead of repeating the same word over and over in your essay, you can actually use some different phrases to describe the same thing. Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS Task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so let's continue. However, buses connect my remote village to the city core and have short wait times of about 15 minutes only. Additionally, this is my most preferred transport means due to the affordability factor as bus tickets are quite cheap as compared to trains or rickshaws. So as you all can see, we have used a range of connectors here like besides that, however, additionally, moreover. So all these will enhance your band scores for your coherence and cohesion part later on. Alright, so we have answered the first 3 questions, which is what it is, when and how often you use it, and why you use it. The fourth question, which is explain why it is your favorite transport, still remains. So let's elaborate a little bit on that. Finally, I feel over the moon because using buses also helps in reduction of carbon footprint, thereby contributing in keeping the environment clean and green, as well as giving me a sense of fulfillment of a dutiful citizen. So we have used an idiom here which is over the moon, which means to be very happy or joyous. And using idiomatic phrases increases our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Also, we have added a very good point here saying that using buses or any kind of public transport, in case if you are speaking about rickshaws or you're talking about trains, you can use these points which I have mentioned in this cue card, that they help in reduction of carbon footprint, right? Because so many people are traveling in the same bus, so the carbon emissions are reduced. If everyone travels in his or her own private car, like you can imagine the amount of carbon emissions that are produced by each of them, and all of those increase the total carbon footprint, right? So this actually helps in reducing pollution, and that's what we have said here, keeping the environment clean and green or pollution free, giving me a sense of fulfillment. That means you have accomplished something or you have done something, you have performed some kind of responsibility of a dutiful citizen. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.